Welcome to GadgetFather, where we review the latest and greatest gadgets to make your life easier and more enjoyable. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven, the ultimate solution for perfectly cooked pizzas at home. This innovative oven features a rotating baking tray that ensures even cooking and a golden brown crust all around. With its adjustable temperature settings and independently controlled heating elements, you can customize your pizzas to your desired doneness, whether you prefer a crispy crust or a gooey center. Cooks pizzas up to 12 inches in diameter. Adjustable temperature settings for personalized cooking. Non-stick baking pan for effortless cleanup. Compact design for convenient storage. Energy efficient, saving up to 60% compared to conventional ovens. If you're tired of soggy, unevenly cooked pizzas, then the Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven is the perfect solution for you. Head over to the video description, click on the link, and order yours through Amazon today. Elevate your pizza nights and impress your taste buds with every bite. Don't forget to subscribe to GadgetFather on YouTube for more awesome gadget reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching.
Introducing the Gas One 6-Hour Chafing Fuel, a top-rated product on Amazon, trusted by countless buyers for its efficiency and ease of use. Designed to keep your food warm and ready to serve at any event, it's the go-to solution for caterers, party hosts, and home cooks. Each can provide up to 6 hours of clean-burning heat, perfect for buffets, family gatherings, or any occasion where food needs to stay heated. The product comes with 12 cans of diethylene fuel, ensuring your food stays at the perfect temperature, and includes an opener for safe handling. This chafing fuel is easy to use. Simply ignite the wick, and when you're done, extinguish it using the provided lid opener. It's mess-free, efficient, and highly rated by Amazon buyers. For more smart home and kitchen gadgets like this, be sure to subscribe to GadgetFather. Don't miss out on the latest tech reviews and helpful tips to elevate your home experience. Hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more exciting content.
Welcome back, gadget lovers! Today, we're taking a look at the Chicken Shredder Large Chicken Breast Shredder Tool from Tivian. If you love cooking BBQ or just want to save time in the kitchen, this tool is a game changer for shredding meat quickly and efficiently. This upgraded chicken shredder has been designed with a strong anti-slip strip and ergonomic handle, making it easy to shred meat in seconds. The internal plastic teeth grip the meat, while the spikes on the lid help gather the shredded meat into the center, ensuring an even cut every time. Whether you're shredding chicken, pork, or beef for tacos or BBQ, this tool makes it fast and hassle-free. Made of high-quality, BPA-free materials, the shredder is dishwasher-safe and heat-resistant. It's perfect for fitness enthusiasts, BBQ lovers, and even pet owners who want finely shredded meat for pet food. Get yours today and make meal prep a breeze. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart kitchen gadgets.